Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Great is he, already set for greatness. This was evident as the star turned out last night for Popcaan's private listening party in Kingston. Popcaan didn't hold back and treated fans to both pre-released and unreleased tracks from the album. One of the night's special moments was Popcaan and Tony Ann performing Next to Me.
If it's not love, then tell me what's this feeling you give me. If it's not love, then come back and you baby, you leave me. I should've never let it show. You can see it in your eyes, you know. You can see it in your eyes, you know.
E-Prime caught up with Skillibeng, Ching Ching and Jazz Elise, who shared an experience in the album.
Big up the whole unruly. I don't know, big up the whole Jamaica. Popcaan is really a motivational person towards Skillibeng and is a big inspiration to Skillibeng also. I don't know, Popcaan has been putting in a lot of work over the years and Skillibeng see that. And he's a big representation for Jamaican dancehall music. So our next album is our next listen for Skillibeng. I don't know, Skillibeng fought from a fun stage with Popcaan. It's not just a family or a brother thing. You see me? We are listening to Popcaan from them time, we still listen to Popcaan. So we still respect Popcaan. I don't know, we still respect his music. I will still listen to Popcaan. I will still say unruly. Is there?
You know, it's amazing. I'm a fan of Popcaan's music, and he's really, as he said, like, he's carrying the torch for reggae and dancehall. And I mean, it's international, it's Jamaican, it's real, and you have to respect the music. You see me, like, every track, the production is top tier. Dane Ray, Dre Skull, enough of them today, you see me, but yo, it's a pleasure to witness it before it drops.
Popcaan fought from far. You know, me know the struggles. So I have to big up to the unruly boss and congratulations on the big bad international Out the Park album. Big up the unruly boss and congratulations on this powerful album, you see me? Great is he that trusts the Most High.
Popcaan's 17-track album also features previously released international singles with Drake and Burna Boy. He shared his delight for their support.
I love and light. I love everybody who pull up tonight and support the thing. Our music greater than what even Jamaican think. Our music greater than what everybody think. Our music are the first, and it is forever. And it can never go nowhere. Dancehall, reggae music, I represent far, and it means greatness. So, everybody with us tonight, I send you love and appreciation to pull up like a song, because great is he and great is me.
Great is He by OVO Sound is set for release this Friday across all streaming platforms. Can't wait. Now, Spice is set to return to the stage. The Queen of Dancehall shared with her fans over the weekend that she is booked for her first performance this year in March. Spice made the announcement via her Instagram saying, quote, "Hey man, let's start the fun. First date with me this year," end quote, adding that she has officially started taking bookings again. Spice in November gave her fans a scare when it was rumored that she suffered complications during surgery in the Dominican Republic. The artist remained silent for weeks to later reveal that she had suffered a ruptured hernia and that her body went into sepsis. The Godonde DJ cancelled all her shows, with K-Man being the first to be cancelled and now the first to see her again. Welcome back, Spice. Can't wait for that performance. I'm Daedran with E-Prime. Thank you for watching.